We are excited to announce the new Retrosynthesis feature in Reaxys. It replaces the synthesis planner with new and improved functionalities, allowing you to create synthesis plans for known and novel substances using the Reaxys Reaction Knowledge Base and the Reaxys Predictive Retrosynthesis module. This is part 1 of a 3-part tutorial on the Retrosynthesis feature. In part 1, we are going to set up a retrosynthesis project. Start by clicking Retrosynthesis. Click Draw to create a new retrosynthesis project for a compound. You can draw the desired structure or insert structure from name, CAS number, or SMILE string. To set up a project for a known compound using the Published Reactions database, use the Published menu on the right. Define how many different synthesis plans you want to retrieve, the maximum number of steps, and if the routes should be limited to those starting with commercially available materials. Change any of the default options to suit your requirements. Customers of our Predictive Retrosynthesis module will see a Predicted menu and can set a project for predicted reaction routes for known and novel compounds. Finally, click Synthesize to retrieve your results. Results are available in your Project tab. Remember to register or sign in so your retrosynthesis projects are saved for later use. In part 2 of this tutorial, we will show you how to navigate the retrosynthesis results pages to obtain literature references, experimental conditions and procedures, expert routes, and much more. Click here to see part 2.